Import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. Import NumPy as NP from matplotlib animation. Import func animation. X data, Y data equals lane. Fig ax equals PLT subplots 5 inches. Line equals to color green. Ax set x lim 100. Ax set I lim -1.5, 1.5. Ax set title real-time data stream. Def update frame. X data append frame, Y data append NP sign frame times 0.1 plus NP random normal scale of 0.1. Line set data X data, ax set X lim, max 0. Frame -100, frame plus 10, return line. Annie equals func animation fig update. Frames NP arrange 0 200, interval 50. Blit true. Annie save, real-time data.mp4, writer ffmpeg, fps 20, plt.show. This animated line plot simulates real-time sensor data streaming by progressively displaying the values of sine of x and cos of x over time. The blue curve shows simulated readings from a hypothetical sensor measuring sine of x. The orange curve represents cos of x. Data as if coming from another sensor. Frame by frame, the animation mimics the behavior of live data acquisition systems, such as those used in IoT, robotics, or industrial monitoring. As new data arrives, simulated using NumPy, the graph updates accordingly, allowing observers to track trends or patterns in fluctuating values, visualize phase differences or periodic behavior, demonstrate how real-time dashboards or plotting tools operate.